Hey there, Jackson Kincheloe here, Sister Spare on the Dirty Birds. We're at the Egg in Albany. Pre-doors, post-sound check. And I just wanted to run through the Lone Wolf Harp Reverb. Also playing through the Lone Wolf Boogeyman. But yeah, I got this recently. I really love this pedal. I'll go through a couple of different sounds, some of the blues sounds and also the organ sounds. Let's see here. So this is on a low setting, and I'm using a Suzuki Manji by Joe Spires. This is at a low setting. Oh, gotta turn the amp on. So it's just a little reverb and a little bit of slap back, and then go about 12 with both of them, and you start getting a little bit more of the hall sound. Without it. Then we'll go, I usually have it set pretty high, kind of like that. Again, without it. And with it. And then I really like it for my church organ sounds. Again, without it. And with it. It's even fun with the wah sometimes too. Yeah, really great pedal. I highly recommend it. Lone Wolf Blues Company Harp Reverb. Check it out.